Hi, my name is Hamda Almannaee, and I chose to explore K-pop music for my game board design. I was heavily inspired by K-pop relay dances, which people have done all over the world, and I kind of wanted to represent that in a game board form. In return, the design reflects that fun music rhythm elements and competitiveness, and the design surrounds a organic feel and rhythm due to that. And overall, it exudes a nostalgic look, as I chose to represent the Y2K sounds that recently emerged in the K-pop scene. I learned that when designing a game board, I had to keep engaging and making it eye-catching. Therefore, colors I used were vibrant and the composition was free and fun. Moreover, as a designer, I always had to connect it back to my target audience, which were K-pop fans and Y2K inspired things. So a lot of that really had to reflect through the game board design.